In the meantime, there's a call for an urgent review of the Integrity Commission to give it more teeth in investigating and reporting acts of corruption. The call was made in the Senate on Friday. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks reports.
Declaring a cancer of corruption has engulfed the Holness administration. Senator Lambert Brown on Friday called for the Integrity Commission Act to be reviewed and the entity provided with more resources to investigate fraudulent activities in the public sector.
With the current Integrity Commission, as currently structured and resourced, discover the allegations in the public domain that led the Prime Minister to fire forthwith the Minister of Education, Youth and Information. Because it must be a good reason that a Prime Minister who says he has to investigate first. That's what he said at Petrojam before he could fire the minister. And you can't just rush to judgment. For the Prime Minister to rush to take action, in this case, he must know something. He must know something.
He slammed the commission as being silent and chided it for not investigating gifts to public officials such as parties for ministers, and still latching on to the recent issues involving former Education Minister Roel Reid. Senator Brown said it was his party's leader, Dr. Peter Phillips, who, having raised the issue at a press briefing on Monday, forced the Prime Minister to act.
There are those who want to say the Prime Minister acted quickly. The real issue is, when did the Prime Minister know about this? Did he know about the police taking in the helper? Was he late for his budget presentation last Tuesday because he had to be spending time out in that fire at Jamaica House over the Roel Reid issue because he came for after 3 o'clock, or for 3 o'clock instead of 2 o'clock?
He said that the Prime Minister knew about the corruption in the Education Ministry before he fired Roel Reid on Wednesday. A statement should have been made in the Parliament at the time of the budget presentation on Tuesday. Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.